Alright boys, so basically this is the second part. This was very difficult to put the HKS valve at the bottom, and I managed to tighten the bolts. This bolt was very difficult because my finger had to literally just, you know, go over here inside like that, you know, and then try to tighten it. It was very difficult, so I had to use a very small tool to tighten it, especially this area. And this area was okay, was fine, but the bottom one was very difficult. And the bottom bolt was very difficult. I had to go through putting my left hand like that, and then put the bolt in, and then, you know, tighten it. It was difficult, and I had to use one of my old tools to reach down and then tighten it, because the space is really a nightmare. So once that is in, then I went ahead and I kept the HKS blow-off valve with the bracket, as you guys can see, just over there like that. And then I have to tighten this, and then one more thing. Where is it? Yeah, this one. So you have to put it upwards, and I decided to use the original location of the clamp of this clip, so I just put it down there. Yep. Kind of look AM. Nice. Yep. Excellent. Yeah. So I went ahead and I kept it in this manner. Now the HKS blow-off valve is kept. I have to make this tight, and then we're done. We'll put back the pipe over here, plug the bolts, and we're good to go. على حبوب. خلصناها. خالص كامل من بعد البهدلة. شوف التعب، شوف يا ايدي الورم، شوف مني، شفت؟ Alright boys, so after a lot of agony and pain, we are done. We finished it. Kept the HKS blow-off valve and the cat after a lot of agony. You see how my hands are swollen and bruises? You see this? Look at my other hand. You see? Anyways, my hands are very beautiful. So we've done it, alhamdulillah, perfectly, and she sounds good.